Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another Happy Crafty Easter video. Today I have a really cute box card for you. This is my Happy Easter box card. How much fun is this design? You have the bunny there in the middle with the little Easter basket and some flowers. There's some eggs here in the background. You could totally add some clouds and things like that to really dress up the back part of the card. It folds nice and flat for mailing. There's a spot on the back for your message. And of course there's an envelope as well. This card is really fun to put together. Box cards are always super popular on my website and I can't wait to show it to you. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any card making fun. And with that, let's get into the materials. Okay, for this project you're going to need your CRICUT cutting machine, your light grip or standard grip cutting mat, scoring wheel or scoring stylus, your scraper, a weeding tool, your brayer, glue and adhesive, and your cardstock. Now that we know what materials we're going to need, let's go ahead and get started with step 1. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. This project is part of Happy Crafty Easter 2025. If you're watching this after the event has ended, you can find the individual cut file for purchase in my shop at shop.thebeardedhousewife.com. There's also a link in the description box below. If you're interested in the VIP Access Pass, which gives you all 12 event files, commercial licensing, printable worksheets, video tutorials, and bonus Easter cut files, there's a link for more information in the description box. No matter how you purchase the cut file, make sure to download the file to your computer, unzip the file, and then we can open up CRICUT Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to CRICUT Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in CRICUT Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer and click Open, Continue, and Upload. Step 3. Convert score lines and any text. Now that the project has been brought into our canvas, we can ungroup the design. We have some converting to do to some of the score lines, so let's scroll down the Layers panel and find the envelope. Click on this icon to drop down the layers. Highlight the top layer. Come up to the Operation menu and change that to Score. Highlight the group and attach. We need to do the same thing to the outside box piece. And to the inside tab piece. Once the score lines for the envelope, the outside box piece, and the inside tab piece have been converted, go ahead and click Make. And you can see the different mats for this card. Click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium weight cardstock for this card. I'll go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your card. Okay, so I have everything all cut out, so it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. So the first thing that I'm going to do is fold and burnish along the score lines of the outside box piece. Just like that. I'll set that to the side for a minute. Now let's go ahead and layer the messaging panel. Take the outside box piece and flip it over, and we're going to attach the messaging panel to the back. Go ahead and set that to the side. Now let's take our inside tab piece. We're going to fold and burnish those tabs. And then set that to the side. And lastly, we're going to layer the front cover panel. Now I do have a layering guide within the download that will help visualize how to do this, but from back to front, you're going to start with the white, brown, orangish yellow, pink, purple, and green. I'm going to speed up the video just a little bit while I layer everything together, and I'll show you what it looks like when I'm all done. And there is our front cover panel. Let's set that to the side for a minute. Take our outside box piece and the inside tab piece. I'm going to add glue to this left tab right here, and then attach it to the left side here on the outside box piece, making sure to line up the edges. And I'm going to repeat that for the right side. Just like that. I'll go ahead and fold down the card, add some glue to this left front tab, take our front cover panel and attach the left side, again making sure to line up the edges. And then I'll add glue to this right tab and fold the front cover panel over and attach it. Just like that. I'm going to set the card to the side. Let's go ahead and make the envelope. Now I know that I have some pretty crazy pattern paper here, but I'm trying to use up as much of my scraps as possible. So I'm going to go ahead and fold and burnish along the score lines. Take our inlay panel, add glue along the outer edge of the inlay, Flip the inlay over and place it over the cutout on the envelope flap. Spin the envelope around, bring those side flaps in, add glue to the bottom of the side flaps. With your thumbs, go ahead and push up and press, and that forms our envelope. And our box card is all set. Isn't this card adorable? I love the little Easter bunny. He's kind of looking off to the side with his Easter basket there in the front. Just really, really cute. I hope that you like it. If you make this card, I hope that you post it in our Facebook group. We have thousands of card making and paper crafting friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. There's a link down below for you to check it out. That's going to do it for today. I'm Nick. I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next Happy Crafty Easter video. Bye-bye.